This is absolutely amazing.
In this video today, I will talk about how I climbed this mountain to see this amazing dawn. My name is Ahmad, and I'm an entrepreneur and an educator. And on this channel, I specifically talk about personal development and traveling. So I'd encourage you to please subscribe and hit the bell notification for more content like this. Let's get into the video.
So it's 4 a.m. in the morning and the sun's about to come out. It's, what's the date today? I think it's 23rd. And I'm about to climb this mountain right here to see the sunrise. And my friend over here who's joining me in this amazing hike.
The glorious views of this place are nothing short of spectacular. I would definitely recommend going as early as possible in the morning so you can catch the sunrise. This view is incredibly breathtaking and you will not be disappointed, and you'll get to see things like this.
Have you guys ever wondered, what does a cow look like when it's asleep? Or do they even sleep? Well, I have found the answer and I'm going to show you. There you go. I'm sure she's not dead. She's definitely sleeping, which is very fascinating, and my friend's actually taking some pictures and stuff, which is amazing. This is so amazing. This looks, it's woken up. It's woken up. We just ruined their sleep. We are real assholes, aren't we?
The hike itself can be very steep at times, but it's a lot of fun and a great activity to stay in shape. So make sure you prepare yourself for that.
We're trying to get there to catch the sunrise as quickly as possible. So that's why we kind of rushing.
And within few minutes of rigorous climbing, we get really close to the top and start to see the horizon, and it looks breathtaking.
This is absolutely amazing. Look at that. Wow. Unbelievable. I can't believe it. What a view at 4:20. So this is probably the easiest hike I've ever done, and the quickest one as well. And the views have rewarded me with unbelievable beauty.
The view of the clouds behind the valley was so mystical and so serene. I can't even begin to explain. I just stood there in complete awe of this view. This place is one of the few places in the UK where you can see a double sunset. So I would definitely recommend that if you decide to come to this place, do come either in the afternoon or in early morning like we did, so you get to see something truly unique, something not many people will see in their whole lifetime. While waiting for the sunset, me and my buddy got the drone out and we started taking shots of us walking on the cliff. It was such an amazing experience, I can't even begin to explain.
So this is the view that I came for in the morning. Absolutely worth it.
I stood there for hours taking photos and videos of the place and of the sunrise. I posted the photos on my Instagram, and link to that is in the descriptions below. So this is a must-see location for anyone wanting to see a beautiful sunrise that is truly unique in its own way.
So we came back down. The sun's out, as you can see. It's absolutely beautiful. I've got my buddy over here
Without him, this wasn't possible. So thank you so much for doing that. I
Very
really
welcome.
appreciate it. And yeah, it's been absolutely amazing. Look at that. Look at that tree. And look at the sun. I took a really nice picture as well, so I'll put that in here. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. And please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And keep encouraging me to make even better videos every single day. Yeah, I post twice a week. And put in the comments below what you thought about this journey and where should I go next, essentially. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.